and a cushion. Garbage can lid and a cushion. Okay. Let me get positioned, guys. That's the cushion right there. We're gonna go for one heck of a ride. Hope I don't drop my phone before I go. Smash that like button. I could damage my camera here. Or break a leg. Or break a bone. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, 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 damn it. Oh, 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 man. Stick in the mouth. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Right where my head banged up again. See all that snow in the tree? That's where my head banged up on. It was about 5 inches. It compacted because it was so light of snow. It was high, and with the weight on top of all the snow, it compacted down. That's why I said we got 5 inches, but right now it only looks like 4, you know. Here we go, guys. I'm trying to hold on here. I'm trying to hold on. Oh no, not there again, guys. Oh, oh, oh. You ready? Oh, let me get positioned. Here we go, guys. Hold on. Hold your breath, cause we're going down. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Oh, God, somehow I managed to fit in between these trees. And that tree, look how I'm laying. I just went into this position here. You see that? Right in between, deep. I went in there. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh shoot, here we go, guys. Oh no, I think we're gonna lean to the left. The wind's blowing. The wind's blowing. Oh, oh, no, no. Ah, dang it. Dang it. I was heading right for it. Oh, shoot. Tell you what, one more. Oh, freezing out here, guys. I'm trying to get my glove on. Everything gets wet and it's hard to do. Oh Lord, my hands are freezing. Let's go. Ready? Yeah, we're live. We're going here. Oh no, oh no. I'm trying not to go the other way. Oh, oh, oh no, no. Oh, 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 oh. Oh God, it hurt. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, damn. My glove is stuck. I'm stuck. Oh shoot. Rip my gloves up. That's where my butt was. That's where my arm was. That's where my head was, and this thing's sticking out. The point, guys. Oh, shoot. The pricker bush. This is so freaking windy and cold. Let's go have some fun. Smash the like button. Careful. Oh, no, no. Oh. Hold on. Here we go, guys. Here we go. You got the driver's seat. Oh no. Oh no, no. Damn. Oh. Y'all, that hurt, dudes. Oh, whoa, whoa. Where's this? What is this here? Oh my goodness. Oh. Now y'all seeing what I see. Y'all seeing what I see up here. Oh man. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Because this is a lot of fun, guys, but this is very dangerous what I'm doing here. You can whack your head and nobody's gonna see you laying in that ditch. Nobody see you laying down there, you know what I mean? Please share the video, like the video, and watch it a few times. Oh my goodness, my hands are frozen, guys. Oh, there's some blue sky. There's some blue sky. Oh.